Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale trade shows with Eventbrite step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Eventbrite account if you don't already have one. Visit the Eventbrite website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. After signing in, click Create Event to start planning your trade show. Select the type of event you are organizing, in this case, a trade show. Enter your event details, including the name, date, and location. Specify the time and duration of the trade show. Customize your event description to attract attendees, highlighting key features. Next, set up your ticketing options. Choose between free or paid tickets based on your business model. If applicable, adjust the ticket pricing and set any discounts or early bird pricing. Enable promotional codes to encourage sales and engagement among potential attendees. Once your ticketing is configured, create an engaging event image or banner. This visual should reflect the theme and important aspects of your trade show. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click Publish, making your event live on Eventbrite. Next, focus on promoting your trade show to reach a wider audience. Share your event link on social media platforms to inform potential attendees. Send out email invitations to your existing contacts and industry professionals. Consider collaborating with sponsors or partners to expand your reach. Utilize Eventbrite's built-in tools to track your ticket sales and attendee engagement. Continue updating your audience with valuable information about exhibitors and speakers. As the event approaches, prepare any necessary materials, such as signage or swag bags. On the day of the trade show, arrive early to set up and ensure everything runs smoothly. Utilize Eventbrite's check-in feature for a seamless registration experience. Engage with attendees throughout the event to build relationships. After the trade show, follow up with attendees for feedback and future opportunities. Analyze the event performance using Eventbrite's analytics tools for insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.